Yes, it's my birthday today, so I thought I would make you a cake. Actually, you have to make your own cake. This is called Birthday Cake, and it's a download. The instructions you can download from the Fat Quarter Shop, and there's going to be a link in the video description. It's really easy to make this block, and I just used fabrics I had laying around that I haven't put back in my stash yet. Now, if I were going to make another one, and I probably will because I like this and it was fun to make, I would use a different background. This is kind of a plain background, and I think I would like to make a little applique or something to have a little flame for the candle, but it's really pretty. It has a little bow, so I hope you enjoy this on my birthday. This block has a lot of little pieces, but they're very easy to cut out. And I suggest you cut everything out and lay them out like this so it makes sense to you. And what I found is if you start cutting from the top and go down, you can use your fabric more efficiently, especially like the first one you cut at 3.5 by 5 3/4. So I cut it at 3.5 because everything else is going to be 3.5 or less. So you can get your pieces off of that first strip you cut. So I laid them out, and I'm going to start piecing them in rows, and I'll show you the piecing as it goes.